To the orthogig diagnostics. This is just a quick one. I just did a little repair on this ECU that was down. It wasn't working. So I just did a repair on it, and then I want to test it with my scanner. If it's now online via this Goda 2 I just bought. So I want to test it. So I've connected all the necessary, the wiring to it, the power and the ground and the communication line. So now I've connected my scanner. Diagnosis, control, engine. It's an engine issue. Yeah, my communication line are blinking, which means there's a high chances of success with this ECU because the ECU wasn't communicating. It was dead. It was fried. Yeah. Yeah, have a success. Definitely, I'm going to have a lot of code because nothing is connected with it. No sensor, nothing, no actuators are connected with it. But let me go to my live data. Wow. How my data. Okay, nice job. Thank you.